Okay, it's Thursday morning, 9:30. We're out on a little road trip. We are, quite honestly, I don't know where we're at right now, but I wanted to show you this. This used to be, I think, a bridge. If you can see the structure over here, there's one over here, and then there's one over there, but it's really buried. I don't know if we can get a view of that or not. Okay, just a second. There it is. There's the other side. We just about didn't see this. The wife actually saw it. Okay, I wanted to document something else. This plant is just look at that, and nothing else is hardly moving. There's a little bit of a breeze. Huh, that's crazy. Like I said, I'm not sure where we're at. We're just out riding around these back roads. And we come up on this bridge-like structures. I'm going to go back over there in a minute. Just kind of showing you where we're at here. That's crazy. Nothing else moving in the wind. But I'm going to go back over here and show you this. These are bridge supports. I'm just almost sure of it. There's the one right there. It's really overgrown, but you can plainly see it. It's right there. And then there's one on the other side. There was a bridge here at one time. That may be in the old bridge, because we're standing on the current bridge, of course. So back in the day, this had to be a bridge over here, but it's all gone except for the supports. Now if I can go back over here, I can show you the other side, but I've got to get way over here before you can even see it. Because I mean, it's buried. But there's the other one right there. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. And see, there it is. Is that cool or what? And like I said, I don't know where we're at. We're just out traveling these back county roads. The wife's seen it. I didn't even see it. The wife's seen it. So I had to stop and document that. I'm using my cell phone this morning, because I knew it probably wouldn't be that long of a video. But little tiny, what, it might have been a creek at one time. It's not even hardly a creek anymore. But there's a little body of water. Ooh. And I'm looking straight down off the edge of this bridge. It's cloudy this morning, but it's also very lush, very pretty down here. A long ago forgotten bridge. It's too bad the rest of it ain't still attached, but it's long been gone. I'll kind of do a 360 here and just go all the way around and Very nice out this morning, though. It's a little windy, mostly cloudy, but it's just really pretty. This is a concrete bridge. It's not they don't have any kind of design to it or anything. And we're quite a ways up. I bet we're 50 feet or better up. Now it looks like the sun's trying to come out now a little bit. This was a real gem to find this morning. And I just had to document this morning. Oh, now you get a really good view of the other side of the bridge. See it? With the sun shining on it. That's really cool. Okay, well that was just really interesting. Had a gentleman stop and talk to me for a little bit, and this is actually a railroad bridge back in the day. I thought that was just real interesting. But that's what this was a railroad bridge. Well, I guess I'll go on. I just wanted to document this, you know, for right now. It's kind of getting kind of busy for some reason right now. But at any rate, yeah, and this gentleman also told me that he's actually got a stone arch bridge on his property. That would be really cool. But at any rate, I think we're going to go ahead and go on. But this used to be a railroad bridge back in the day. So that's something that I did not know. This gentleman just happened to be coming by and stopped and talked to me for a little bit. So that's pretty cool. All right. Well, okay. I guess we're going to go on. But I just had to show this. This is just too cool not to show this morning. All right. This kind of impromptu video. This was not planned at all. Anyway, I guess we're going to go on, and we'll see you on the next video. Whatever that may be. So bye for now.